What is going on, everybody? Hang on. Let me just turn this down. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so what is going on, everybody? GamesFlag69 here. And today we're going to be playing Car Crash Simulator now. Right now, I think I'm in a Honda Civic Blue. This car is kind of weird. Alright, now we're just going to try jumping this thing first, and I'm going to crash it. Because I remember having this game on my broken phone. Whoa, buddy, whoa, I don't want to crash it now. You see it's trying to flip right now. Alright, jump it. Wap, 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 wap. Oh, crap. I guess we crashed it. Okay. Fix the car. Alright, let me show you how to flip this thing. Got it. Oh, man. Okay. That wasn't good. Just fix it. Camera. Oh. Alright, let's try it like this. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Yeah, that ain't happening. We need a good flip. Let me try it right. Oh, we got two. Okay, we got two. We're gonna keep the damage. We're gonna try it again. Oh no. Flip. Oh no, not that way. Dang it. Alright, here we go. We can flip it here. Woohoo! Okay, that's not what I was expecting, but okay. Kinda laggy. Oh shoot. Maybe because of the damage. Oh my god, that was cool. Oh my god, look at my back tires. Oh shoot. Hang on. Oh my god, this is getting real easy to crash now. Whoa, wait. Oh, buddy. We got one. Okay, 1.5. That's cool. Alright, let's see what other cars we got. Ooh. Got a Camaro. Yeah, this thing isn't easy to flip. Let me try. I'll flip it on this jump. Whee! Oh, shoot. Oh, no, we're lagging really bad. Okay, yeah, that... Oh, Lamborghini. Whoa, buddy, whoa. Okay, this is a powerful Lamborghini. I'll tell you that. I'm just gonna keep tapping it. I'm not gonna, like, hold it. Whoa! Oh, that was a close call. This reminds me of BeamNG. Turn, turn, turn. Oh my god. Turn. And... Bam. Oh my god, look at the back of that thing. Okay. Oh, an RX-7. Oh crap, this one's got power too. No way. Wait. Oh my god, it's a drifting truck. Look at that. I found ourselves a drifting truck. That's cool. Alright, hit this jump. Woohoo! Oh god. Oh god. Oh goody. Okay, that was bad. Hey, is this another drifting truck? Yes, it is. Oh shoot. Okay, that's a flipping truck. This is another drifting truck. Okay, that's another one. Oh, this is a big truck. Oh, buddy. Whoa, buddy. What the heck? I just did like a 360. Wait, this is a drifting truck too. Oh, shoot. Okay. Oh, a bus. Let's flip the bus. These kids are showing me mercy. So, there. We flipped it. Oh, shoot. We got some type of drifting bus going on right here. Oh, God. What the heck is wrong with this thing every time? What? Oh, okay. Yeah, change car. Okay, this is... Change car. There we go. Oh, this is a nice car. I like to look at this one. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Oh, BMW. Look out, truck. Sorry. Oh crap. Hey, look at this view. This is actually a lot better than that blue car. Woo! Oh shoot. Oh crap. Okay. Not what I was expecting. Whoa, what's this car? Oh, this is a cool looking car. Why is it sitting sideways though? Okay, that was weird. Oh, a blue car. Another blue car. Hit that truck. Bam! Oh, I flipped the truck. I feel bad for it. What? Did I just flip it back over? I'm gonna flip this blue car. Ah! Oh my god. Hold on a second, I gotta do something. We're gonna do Hans crash. Ah! Okay, never mind. This car is too dumb. Let's try it from the other side. Oh, nice drift. Bam! Ah! We did Hans crash. Just gotta go a little forward. Alright, pretend it exploded. Hang on. Gotta make sure I'm further away. Right about here. Perfect. Oh, dude! Oh my god, it's a drifting car. Ra-da-da-da. Ra-da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh crap, oh crap. Wee wee. Really? Oh, a truck. It's a nice looking truck too. Look at this truck. Smash into this truck. Bam! Oh, I airlifted it. Hit this blue car because he crashed Han. Whoa! Okay. That was weird. Oh, shoot! Oh, yes! We get an inside view. Nice sound. Oh! What's the damage? Oh, the back. Oh, my God. Is this a drift car of some sort? This thing ain't got no mirror. Flip. No! Woo! Oh, crap. Oh, I just changed the car. Oh, a blue car. Or a pink, sorry. I gotta go find that, gray car. Okay, so it's on our right side of a jump. Right there. Oh, shoot! I just flipped my pink car. There it is. Smash into it. Bam! Got you. I didn't break you. Alright, that's good enough. I feel bad for him. Try this pink car. Fix it up. Flip it. Woohoo! Oh, crap. I landed upside down. Oh, yes. My favorite car. Because it likes to flip. Woohoo! Oh, Jesus. The bus is in the way. Okay, let me go to the bus. Alright. Let's get out of here. We're gonna run into the wall. Run into the wall! This thing ain't going fast enough to run into a wall. Go! Bam! What do we get? Barely anything, okay. Okay. Turn around. Do a loop-de-loop. Okay, never mind. This car is too dumb. Oh, shoot. I dented my ceiling. Alright, we're gonna drift around this thing. Drift! Oh, shoot! I didn't... Okay. That was, that was really weird. That was, yeah. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna end it here for today's video. So, thank you guys for watching. If you're new, subscribe. Subscribe. And if you know my channel, then subscribe if you haven't already. Oh my god, this car. Okay, yeah, so the next video I'm going to be posting is probably going to be something about Minecraft or maybe another car video. I might actually play Terraria for you guys. So, anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.